Hi everybody, I'm Jim with Evolution Power Sports, and today we're here talking about belts. These are the world's best belts by GBoost. We collaborated with GBoost on the testing of these belts, and they've been the best belts ever brought to market that we've ever tested. These belts are available for Polaris, Can-Am, Kawasaki, and Textron. We raced the Iceman 500 2.5 years ago, and one of our racers was using an experimental belt from them. He ran the whole race on one belt, and we're like, well, let's get a prototype from them and test it. And we did, and we found that, even on our stage 6 high horsepower cars, this was the only belt that would actually last. Through our sponsored racer program, we tested these for about 6 months prior to ever releasing them to the public. And that's how we were able to determine that these belts would hold up better than anything else. And just recently, Matt Burrows ran the Baja 1000. In the pre-running, they ran 700 race miles on the same belt. And after it was done, the belt looked like brand new. I think he only went through 1 or 2 belts during the whole race. So, world's best belt, and the world's best truly is that. You can get them at evopowersports.com.